Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my channel.
Perfect.
This hair is from the AFSISTERWIG store on Amazon. It comes in this little black box and it also comes with a wig cap and the hair itself. Now this is their highlight brown ombre wig. It is short, it's 10 inches and it is a T-part, so only in the center. It's their 13 by 6 by 1 T parting wig. Looks like that. It's about $87. So this is the inside. Comes with 2 clips on the side, a clip in the middle, another clip in the back, and adjustable straps in the back, as well as a thick black adjustable strap like that. And it can also be taken off if you don't want that there, so that's good. And the hair feels really soft and thick, especially in the back right here. Not getting much shedding, but I'm just finger combing it. It looks really good though. I'm going to flat iron it first before I put it on, but it does look nice. The color. Yeah, and again, it's 10 inches. So let's flat iron it. So I just put the wig on and I cut the lace. This is what it's looking like. I didn't glue the wig on yet or anything, but looks pretty cute. Now I am going to put this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The color is Mocha Mocha. I'm going to put that on my part. That's a little light for me. I wanted to match my complexion a little more. That's better. And the wig fits a little snug. I took that extra strap off. It fits fine though. I'm just going to glue this part down, like just that part right there. I'm not gluing all the edges and everything down because the hair covers that part, so I'll be fine. But let's do that. Oh, I'm using this Got2b Ultra Glues. I usually only glue my wigs down for a day, so I don't need that much or anything that's too strong. I'll do some little baby hairs. Nothing crazy though, just some right here in the front. The hair already kind of has some baby hairs, so I'll just use just to cover the start of that part. And I'll use this edge booster. So just like that. And I'm just gonna tie it down. Put a little of this around this part because some flyaways, just want them to stay down. And the hair didn't shed that much while I was doing it, but after I cut the lace it shed a little, but that makes sense because I did cut the lace and I probably cut some of the hair. So yeah, let's just tie this bad boy down. But yeah, so far so good. Okay, I just took the scarf off and this is what the wig is looking like. So I really like the wig. It's soft, took heat well when I flat ironed it. I also like how the colors are and how it's straight like that. And that's the part. Looks pretty good. This hair is really soft, bouncy, just nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me. Also, let me know how you like this wig.